Ramya Moksha versus Ritu Chaudhary. Comparison video. Real name. Ramya is Ramya Moksha Kancharla. Ritu is Ritu Chaudhary. Nickname. Ramya is Ramya. Ritu is Gayatri Ritu. Date of birth. Ramya is 2nd February 2002. Ritu is 25 December 1995. Age. Ramya is 23 years. Ritu is 30 years. Birthplace. Ramya is Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. Ritu is Hyderabad, Telangana. Profession. Ramya is actress, social media influencer. Ritu is actress, model. Height. Ramya is 5 feet 3 inches. Ritu is 5 feet 5 inches. Weight. Ramya is 60 kilograms. Ritu is 65 kilograms. Education. Ramya is graduate. Ritu is graduate. Famous for. Ramya is Alaike Chitti Pickles. Ritu is Pilichupulu Show. Year active. Ramya is 2025. Ritu is 2018. Debut movie. Ramya is Vachinavadu Gautam movie. Ritu is Monome Ishtam movie. Debut television. Ramya is Big Boss 9 Telugu. Ritu is Pilichupulu Show. Marital status. Ramya is unmarried. Ritu is married and divorced spouse. Ramya is not available. Ritu is not available. Religion. Ramya is Hindu. Ritu is Hindu. Nationality. Ramya is Indian. Ritu is Indian. Zodiac sign. Ramya is Libra. Ritu is Capricorn. Hobbies. Ramya is watching movies, dancing, cooking. Ritu is dancing. Instagram followers. Ramya is 513k. Ritu is 1.4 millions. YouTube followers. Ramya is 439k. Ritu is 781k. Facebook followers. Ramya is 22.5k. Ritu is 28k. Twitter followers. Ramya is not available. Ritu is 461 followers. Do like and subscribe. Comment your favorite one.